Okay, today I'm going to be unboxing my office chair here. The room that I'm in is one of my bedrooms that I recently remodeled. And it's going to be my office slash guest room and slash glam room. The decor in here is going to be what I call Afrocentric, because the jewelry that I make is a lot of Afrocentric jewelry. So I wanted to have some bright colors in this room. And the chair that I ordered this from Lowe's. The chair that I ordered is a yellow chair. It looked like a bright yellow on Lowe's website. And this is the box that it came in. So it's upside down. And this is how I received the box with it partially open. I don't know if this was Lowe's or FedEx doing. So I'm just gonna start. Okay. I'm gonna have to turn the box over. But this is an image of how the chair looks. I don't know if you can see it that well on the camera. And then, of course, it just has a description, office chair, the component, the SKU number, and the color, which is yellow. This side is open. Go with this side. Oh yeah, this is a bright yellow. Here's the instructions. I'm going to lay them over here. Then I have this part. This is I guess the base of the chair. This box has the hardware in it. Ooh. This is very yellow. Oh yeah, this is very yellow. I'm just trying to take it off carefully, just in case I gotta put it back on and send it back. Okay. Okay, so I have the directions here. Probably not going to be able to see it that good, but these are the directions. I have my base here. And then we have the box with the tools, or well, not the tools, but with the hardware to put the chair together. So open open this. I'm gonna move this on this side of me. Okay, so this piece right here is part of the base. This will pump the chair up. I don't know what it's called, but here goes the feet. I'll go ahead and open these. I'm not gonna take them out just yet. Then you have this part. Then here's the screws and the little wrench that's in here. So go ahead, take these out, put them there. So let me go ahead and that's what I do. So it's 5 of these. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start taking the covering, the packaging off of this. Okay, so get that out. Okay, so the first thing it says do is to remove the black protective cap from the gas lift before assembly. This is the gas lift. This is the cap that they're saying to remove. Okay, I had to get it off on camera, but this is what it looks like without the cap on. Okay, so I'm gonna set this to the side over here and then turn this over. No, wait a minute now. Okay, I'm gonna just start putting the rollers on all of these. Let's start with this one. So I am assuming that these just pop in here. Honey, this is an overthinker. It ain't even that hard, but me being the overthinker that I am, okay, that went in. Alright, that one went in. You just have to push it down with a little force. And then I'm trying to do it in the camera, so that's kind of hard. Okay, so feet are on. Now, what is it telling me to do? Okay, so now we're going to take the air pump here. Put it right there. Okay, so we're going to roll this to the side. All right, at this point, I need to turn the chair over. Got it. Okay, so what the directions is saying is that this part right here, there's an arrow. And the arrow needs to be facing the front of the chair. And this is the front of the chair, of course. So now I got to screw this on here. Let's see, like it's... And there's holes that's going to guide me to do this. I'm not going to do them tight. I'm going to do them kind of loose till I get all of them in here. Okay, so I'm going to tighten all of them, not too tight. Okay, so now all I gotta do is sit the chair down on the base, and that should be it. Alright, so now the last thing to do is to sit the chair on top of this base. guess that's it. I hope it's not, is it secure? It seems like it should snap. Oh, okay, so that's straight. Okay. Alright. I'll have to get a mat. Chair mat. But this is it. I do not know the name of this chair. Because of course it does have a name, but I don't know the name of it. And I can't remember. Because I ordered this probably like 2 weeks ago. But that was pretty easy. That was an easy assemble. Well, that's it for this video. I will be back with more videos with me decorating my office. I'm going to make a video of me painting this 4-cube organizer. I'm painting it black, and I have some feet that I got from Home Depot that I'll be putting on there. I'll be painting those black as well.